Hello, my name is Ruth, and this program is about U.S. energy policy, especially with respect to gasoline and gasoline pricing. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you that I'm kind of curious about gasoline prices because they're incredibly expensive. They've been high for about the past 2 years, and then with Hurricane Katrina, they really spiked. They really spiked this year. They're coming down as I'm talking about this, but as far as I'm concerned, they could come down a lot more. A lot of factors affect the price of gasoline. Some of those are things we can't control. World demand, for example. Economies of China and India going through the roof, they need a lot more energy than they used to. World events is another thing I can't control. The places that we tend to get our crude oil from, Nigeria, Venezuela, and of course the Middle East, tend to be kind of unstable places. Iran in particular seems real intent on creating some trouble, and markets don't like trouble. But there are some factors that affect pricing that we can control. We can control how much we use. We may not like it, but we can drive less, we can fly less, and we can maybe order fewer goods so there are fewer trucks on the road. The gasoline companies, they could sell it at a lower price, maybe make a lower profit, or maybe give it away. The other factor that supposedly we can control is government regulation. There's a ton of government regulation on gasoline. Some of it causes a direct price increase, like a tax, for example. Some of it isn't really, it's more an indirect price increase in that it constricts supply and it makes us susceptible to supply shocks. That's what this program is going to focus on. I can't really do anything about the mullahs of Iran, can't do anything about China. Supposedly, per the Constitution, I can do something about my government. So this program is going to focus on government regulation of gasoline. But first, I need to talk about how gasoline pricing is determined.